This is what is called in Finnish, it's lasimestarin lohi. And we make this from different kind of fishes, but this time we have used salmon to it. We do have it in as part of our Christmas table every year. So let's taste it. It is very good. It's very important that the balance of the ingredients is just right.
Hello, my name is Arto, the Finland embassy chef in Tokyo, and today we will prepare pickled salmon. We will use salmon, of course, then bay leaf, rosé pepper, allspice pepper, mustard seeds, carrots, red onion, salt, sugar, vinegar and water. We'll start making the pickled juice. Water, 5 deciliters. White vinegar, 1.5 deciliters. And then the peppers, bay leaves and mustard seeds. And we start boiling. And add sugar, 2 deciliters. And a little bit salt, like 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons. I need to boil that the sugar dissolves until the sugar is melted completely and it's clear, the color is clear. Then we will continue with the pickled salmon. I got my char out from the oven, 110 Celsius for 10 minutes. So it's sanitized and clean to go. So it's hotto. And then we will start add the carrots, onions and salmon layer by layer. So a couple carrots on the bottom, little bit onion. And salmon. Again we go. And then the liquid is cooled down and we will pour it to the jar. Rest of the herbs and peppers. And then overnight in the fridge and it's done. It will get more taste after a couple days, of course.
Well, this actually, it is not too difficult to make. You can do it at home, and when you do it, it's good to make a bit larger quantity, perhaps in a smaller jars, and it does last for some time for you to enjoy. So I hope you will experience this Finnish flavor.